This is the Hayward 400,000 BTU heater with the indoor vent kit. This is an indoor plumbing setup. Zoom out. So we had to get this Duravent kit, or not Duravent, Fasten Seal. Goes up to here to the condensation drain, through the wall, through the safety spacer. Come back out around here, and there's your termination vent. That's where it's going to kick on here in a second. Pool's at 80 degrees and it's about 45 degrees outside. The pool cover's working great. Here's my plumbing room setup. Kind of limited on space, so we had to do a little boop. Here's the fountain pump for the infinity drop edge. Sucks from the catch basin and then brings it back over for the overflow. And this is the pool room. This is all my lights going back out the conduit out to the pool.